Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a photo morph effect in Video Star. Let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have all of your photos spaced out like this. Nope, it's not really loading, but you're already going to want to have your photos formatted like this. Alright, then press edit and press on merge scenes, and then at the very beginning of your edit, or the part of your edit that you want this effect to be in, press on set start and then go to the very end and press on set end and then press merge. And then confirm it, press save. Now press on new, transform, and then select VS motion blur. These are my settings. You can adjust it to however you want, but this is just what mine are. I actually ended up setting the blur to 100. Press on create and wait for it to load. Alright, once it's loaded, this is what you should have. Press done, and that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!